Where'd you go?
Shop.
And what?
Shop.
And water?
Water.
On what?
Water. Car.
On the car?
Car, yeah.
So is now the car all clean?
No.
No.
Clean.
It is clean.
Dirty.
It was dirty.
Yeah.
Tell me what Mommy did to your hair. What are these in your hair?
Big.
Braids? Yeah. Can I see your shoes? Let me see your shoes. Those are pretty cool.
Get tattoo.
Grandpa Tattoo got them for you?
Yeah.
Yeah. You look very cute. Can you count to 5?
Yeah.
Let's see.
1.
What's this one?
1.
1.
1.
What's this one? 2. What's this one?
1.
Oh, you want to do it yourself?